I'm going to share with you business opportunities in Somalia, and we start right now. What's going on? Welcome to Business Idea and Entrepreneur Skills. My name is Hussein. If this is your first time here on this channel, click on the subscribe link and the notification button so that you don't miss anything. If you have not yet watched my previous videos on business ideas, click the link in the description below so that you watch those previous videos. So, what are the best business opportunities in Somalia? These are business opportunities that you can invest in Somalia. Somalia is a country that is recovering from the civil war unrest, and it has got a unique positive transformational opportunities that require you to develop. The country has also a vast investment opportunities which is not yet exploited. So today I'm going to share with you the best business opportunities. These are the best and essential business opportunity that you can make money investing in it. The first business opportunity that you can invest in Somalia is sugar processing. Almost 99% of Somali people are sugar consumer, and this sugar that they consume is an imported sugar by some monopolist investors. Creating a Somali sugar brand will be a very big business opportunity which can also serve the whole Somali people throughout the country. This business opportunity has got a very big gap, or has got a very big demand, which is throughout the country. So invest in this type of business opportunity so that you get money out of it. So the second business opportunity that you can invest in Somalia is processing animal feed. Do you know that the major source of income of Somalia is through exportation of livestock? Livestock is one of the major source of income of Somalia. Establishing a feed processing plant for animals creates you a very big market for you to make money. So it is another business opportunity which is also very essential that you can make money, that you need to invest so that you make money out of it. The third business opportunity that you can invest in Somalia is solar panel supply and installation. Are you aware that Somalia has got a large sunny season compared to the other seasons? Investing in this type of business will also help you to make money because there is no major source of electricity in Somalia. Most of the people depend on single investors generators. Providing a low cost energy supply such as solar panels will be a very big investment opportunity that will also create a very clean energy for Somalia, and you will be able to access the whole Somalia market from rural areas to the cities. So that's also a very big business opportunity. The fourth one that I have for you today is residential estates. Building apartments where people can live. Somalia, most of the people live in dilapidated houses except in the cities. Building real estates or premises, apartments, will also be another business opportunity where very many people will rent and you can make money out of it. At this time where the country is now recovering from civil war, land and buying a premises is cheaper than some 10 years or 5 years to come. So it is the right time to invest in buying land or real estates to create a development, also to make money in Somalia. All these business opportunities that I'm going to share with you is an essential one for all Somalis, and it is also a development for the country, as well as it is a source of making money for you, my audience. So the fifth business idea that I have for you today is setting up hospitals and pharmacies. Health is something essential. Establishing new hospitals and pharmacies is one thing that you can make money out of it. Somalia is now depending on some few hospitals, and these hospitals are not also enough. Establishing a pharmacy or a hospital somewhere in the rural areas or otherwise in the major cities is also another source of income that is also very essential to all the Somalis. So the sixth one is setting up an insurance company. This is one thing so much of demand. How many companies are operating, or how many business people are operating in Somalia and are facing a lot of risk? And you know that the higher the risk, the higher the income. Establishing an insurance company in Somalia is another business opportunity which is so much important that you can make money. The sixth business opportunity that I have for you today is setting up private universities. Almost all the universities that we have are all public universities. Establishing your own universities is also another opportunity that require an investment. Only few universities are in Somalia, and especially they are in the capital cities. Establishing universities around the regions, or otherwise their districts, in the district, is also another big business opportunity that you need to think today. The seventh business idea that I have for you today is setting up technical and vocational institutions. How many people or how many youth in Somalia are not able to go to universities? How many people, how many universities, how many youth want to establish an immediate source of income? How many of them have the talent to be invested and to invest? This is a thing that you need to focus, since Somalia has been in civil war for the last 20 years. Very many youths don't have enough skills for survival, and they are not able to go back to schools. Creating an institution for vocational training is one thing that you need to target today, and you are going to make money out of that. It is also going to be a development investment for the country. The other business idea that I have for you today, and which is I guess it's the ninth business idea, is parking facilities. Establishing a parking facility in the major city, in Mogadishu or in Hargeisa or in Puntland or in Kismayo, is one business opportunity that you need to think of today. With the low prices of land, it is also an opportunity that you need to grab a piece of land where you can establish a business opportunity, a parking facility for the future. The last one is establishing a training facility. A training facility, especially ICT, establishing an ICT training facility. Very many Somalis are so much interested in telecommunication, computer. Very many youth are now into internet business. Many people are buying laptops, tablets for them to use. So training them in ICT, it is a very big business opportunity that you need to consider. If you know there are other type of business that I haven't mentioned in this video, and it is also a very big business opportunity in Somalia, and it is an essential business opportunity, please put them down in the comment below so that any other person can see it. Somalia requires your support and it has got a very vast business opportunities which is still unexploited. It has got different sectors such as agriculture, energy, health, tourism, which is yet untapped, and it has got a lot of business opportunity that require your investment. Taking this time to invest in Somalia is going to be one life-changing moment for you and for the development of your country. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you like it, click the like button and subscribe, as well as the notification button. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.